Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. So do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified as and when the video recordings come. And today I feel the color should be yellow or orange. This is what I feel should be the color today. And if possible today, when you're having a bath, add a little bit of Himalayan salt with 2 drops of lavender essential oil if you have. If you don't have, it's completely fine. And in the morning or in the night, if possible, go to some temple and donate rice and sugar, 5 kgs of rice and 5 kg of sugar if possible, or 1 kg of rice and 1 kg, basically an odd number. Donate the rice and sugar and come. And also pick up some oranges, if you can pick up some oranges, and keep it in front of Mahalakshmi ji, and put the Shri Suktam today in the evening, and then you and your family can have the fruits, whatever you're offering to the goddess. So Shri Suktam is available in YouTube. You can always Google, you can always search in the YouTube, and you can hear the Shri Suktam. Timing would be preferably between 7:30 to 8:30 today evening. So let's see what is in the cards today, what is coming in the cards. Ritual, maybe the ritual what I have said, that is what is also come in the cards. And the next one is silence. So let's see what is in store today. So now coming to ritual, basically in Wicca we talk about rituals more like dedicating to a particular craft and working on it on a day-to-day life. But here today I feel if you are not a Wiccan and if this card has come for you, you are being drawn to do some rituals to honor yourself and honor the situations around you, or handle the situations around you. So maybe if some of you are going through some issues, then you should work on doing some puja or some havan or some ritual done, so that when you do it, then with patience and perseverances your issues will get sorted. Because the silence basically means that the time will come, and when the time comes, everything will fall in place. So it is just that at present you need to be quiet. So think about it. If there is any issue, maybe if it is a marriage which is getting delayed, or if some finances are not coming, then if you are a person who follows our havan and mantras, then connect with your pandit or with your priest and try to find out what it is that you can do, so that you're able to come out of the issue. Maybe like working on some havan or chanting some mantras, or if you know people who are into candle healing or into rituals, you can get a ritual done for your situation. Because with that and with the right time, the issue will get sorted and you will be blessed with happiness. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.